Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by proving you own the device and preparing to avoid data loss. Verify the original Google account or purchase receipt because carriers and manufacturers require proof. This prevents unauthorized access. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so any official recovery processes complete reliably. Make sure to back up synced contacts or photos to your Google account if accessible, because official resets or service repairs typically erase user data to restore factory security. You should pursue manufacturer and account-based recovery rather than unofficial bypasses. Use Google Find My Device or Account Recovery if the device is linked and you can confirm identity. This resets the lock through verified credentials. If that fails, contact Tecno support or your carrier and provide ownership proof so they can guide official unlocking or service. Once done, an authorized service center can perform a factory reset or remove factory reset protection legally and safely, avoiding methods that risk bricking the phone. Once the device is unlocked through official channels, you complete setup carefully. Sign into the original Google account before finishing setup to prevent relocking by factory reset protection. Then choose a strong passcode or biometric lock and enable two-factor authentication for the account to prevent future lockouts. Make sure to restore data from backups. If anything goes wrong or the device remains locked, escalate to an authorized Tecno service center with your proof of purchase so they can resolve FRP or hardware issues legally.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.